Hey everybody, so I got a quick tool haul. This is actually a replacement. I had to go back. In a previous video, I did a video about some Lufkin Nite measuring tapes. Well, I showed in the video that the tapes were crooked. There was some other problems with them. They were badly scratched on the clips, and I'll explain the rest in the video. But please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so earlier I did a video about the Lufkin, Crescent Lufkin Shock Force 25 foot Nite measuring tapes. I found, and in that previous video I did find that both of them were damaged. I got them for a 2-pack for $24.98. One of them, this clip, the actual rivets were crooked, and it actually this hook end actually just fell off of the tape. And the second one, the actual pocket clip had like scratches on it. The black paint coating was rubbed off in what looked like knife lines for some reason. And the tape, the hook, when it was completely submerged in, it was actually twisted like 60 degrees to the left, which was a problem to me because when I pulled the measuring tape out, it wouldn't straighten. So it was completely crooked even though I was sitting it flat on something. So that was, I ended up having to take the double pack back. I spoke to a gentleman on the phone, Charlie, at the Queen Creek store. And the 2-pack, there was only one available in Casa Grande. The lady helped me for like 3 or 4 hours trying to find one. We eventually found one. Other problem is the second one on the 2-pack was missing the front emblem. And what she did is she took one of these off of one of these single packs, put it on the dual pack, and then put the bad one on the single pack packaging, and they were just gonna send it back for defect. And well, when I got home and I did the video for you guys earlier, I found that there was some major problems with both of them. And the other problem with the one that had the twisted, it was twisted like this, and it was weird. It shouldn't have been twisted, but the actual lock wasn't smooth. You actually had to force it to lock, which, you know, you don't want to force things, especially when they're not supposed to be forced. They're just supposed to be natural. But so I ended up calling. I spoke to Charlie in Queen Creek. He said that they didn't have any, even though the Lowe's app said they had 48 in stock for these, the singles, and they had 42 in stock for the dual packs for the holidays. And problem is that he couldn't find any. And he told me, he walked over to a manager while I was on the phone with him. The manager said as long as it's the exact same item, doesn't matter if it came in a dual pack or not, just show up and we'll exchange both of them for 2 singles. So I got there, I spoke to a lady. She was confused. She didn't understand what I was talking about. She told me he couldn't do that. Another manager came up. That manager said, oh yeah, Charlie does that a lot. You know, that's how he runs his tool department. If there's a problem with a double pack item, just if you can find that item in a single, just replace the item as singles and just do a exchange and drop the price of the singles to the price of the dual pack. So basically I got, instead of, because these right here are actually they're $29.98 a piece after tax, to be almost like $31 or $32. So these two right here alone by themselves is, like, you know, if they're singles, separately, if you add them together, they would be like $63, something like that, for 2. She exchanged them for me at $12 exactly, instead of like the $12.40 something I paid for the dual pack. She just did an even $12 for each. So you imagine $12 for one instead of the normal 31 something dollars. That's a pretty good deal, which is why I bought the dual pack. And Casa Grande, they didn't have to take one of these off of a single pack and put it on the dual pack for me. So I've had a pretty good experience at 2 different Lowe's today. This is just going to be a background information on what happened. I will be posting photos of these on Instagram, and if you guys check out my Instagram, more than likely my Instagram will have photos of items like these that I had purchased before the video is complete. So if you want to see what I'm up to, you might want to go check out my Instagram, which is in my description in my YouTube channel. And so I'm going to end it here. We're going to just do a short little unboxing video separate so this video isn't so long. And the single is item number L1125B. And the set that I originally bought was L1125 set 2, SET2, if I remember correctly. Let me look at my phone. Just to make sure. The 2-pack for the Night Eye was $24.98. Lufkin Shock Force Night Eye Pack 25-foot tape measure set. It's a clearance item. It is model number L1125B set 2. So it's basically the exact same model number as this one, L1125B. It just has the word set and the number 2 at the end. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Let me know down below in comments if these are helpful videos. Likes, comments, criticisms. If you're going to criticize, please just be courteous about it, or actually give a detailed explanation. Or, you don't have to explain why you're being a jerk. But if you're not, then I understand. But just explain if you're going to criticize. Maybe I did something wrong, or I said something you didn't like, or whatever. Be mindful that just making a rude comment isn't going to be helpful to me. I'm just going to take it as rude. So try to explain your criticism on why you're criticizing me on that. It will help me. It will be a lot easier for me to understand why you didn't like that if you explain it than to just make a rude comment. And I appreciate I do appreciate the criticism. I try to implement all the things that I am criticized on, and try to make the videos better for you guys. So that would be much helpful. Any information you can give me that would explain or be helpful for me to understand on why you don't like certain things, then by all means, I don't have any issue with the criticism if it's being helpful. But also, please go check out my Amazon affiliate links. It helps me supply items for you guys to see for review and everything like that. Again, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much. Peace.